नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम विक्रम सिंह है। मैं डैनिक्स प्रोबेशनर हूँ। आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड इन सिविल सर्विसेज यूपीएससी फॉर द ईयर 2019। मेरी 354 रैंक आई थी 2019 में एंड हेंस आई गॉट डैनिक्स। राइट नाउ मैं यूटीसीएस विश्वास नगर में डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग में हमारी डैनिक्स की ट्रेनिंग हो रही है और ये मेरा हॉस्टल कैंपस है। With respect to service, ये Danix, it is Delhi and Andaman Nicobar Island Civil Services. This is a Group B service which caters to the demand of public administration in 4 union territories of India, that is Delhi, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep and Daman and Diu. With respect to this service, Danix, it is really a great service in particular. क्यों? Because after IAS IPS it is the only service which will give you a taste of pure public administration, the bureaucracy, how the general system works, and specifically all those aspirants, all those civil servants who are having an aptitude to serve for public, who want to work on field, who want to get associated with the day-to-day activities of Indian public, I think they should join this service. Before straight away coming to this service, I would like to give some introduction about this service with respect to CSC.
For IAS preparation, Muluka IAS is the only institute in the country to provide for granted prelims and assured mains. फ्रेंड्स, ग्रांटेड प्रीलिम्स का मतलब अगर आपका प्री क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो हम आपके पूरे पैसे वापस करेंगे। अश्योर्ड मेंस का मतलब अगर हमारी पढ़ाई में से 80% क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं तो भी हम आपके पूरे पैसे वापस करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आंसर राइटिंग और प्रीलिम टेस्ट सीरीज इंक्लूड करके आपका 17 मंथ्स का ड्यूरेशन है और ऑनलाइन की फीस है सिर्फ 35,000 प्लस जीएसटी। फ्रेंड्स, दूसरे टॉपर्स जैसे रैंक 4, रैंक 6, रैंक 8 एंड मल्टीपल अदर टॉपर की तरह आप भी मलूका आईएएस ज्वाइन करिए और अपनी सक्सेस अश्योर करिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
अब वैसे तो डैनिक्स ये जो सर्विस है ये ग्रुप बी में आती है, लेकिन इसको काफ़ी सिग्निफिकेंट कंसीडर किया जाता है, इसलिए आफ्टर फिफ्थ सिक्स ऑप्शन दिस सर्विस गेट्स फिल्ड इन आवर यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज. Although it is based upon our subjective variation, but civil servants, guys having rank above 300, they used to choose this service. So friends, directly coming to the powers, responsibilities and functions of Danix officers, this is a field job in which you will cater to the demand of general administration. Although specifically speaking about New Delhi, because New Delhi it is the biggest union territory in India, the primary job of the Danix officers is to fulfill the responsibility of SDMs, because our first posting would be SDM, and apart from serving as SDM, it caters to the different heads, means all the administration, relatively all the administration in other Delhi government affiliated bodies such as DDA, MCD, NDMC, Delhi Jal Board. All these posts, they are being served by either DAS officers and Danix officers and IAS officers. So this is the hierarchy, and Danix officers, they cover the maximum portion of this administration, and with respect to responsibilities, the responsibilities lies in the general administration of all these abovely mentioned institutions. And also, as I also referred that SDMship, after as SDMship we will be promoted to ADM, and then finally we would be promoted to DMship, and this is the hierarchy, and after that we will be inducted into IAS cadre and then our role will emerge with IAS personals. And this particular answer is for all those aspirants who are vying for the Danic service, is that 300 से above rank, स्पेसिफिकली जनरल कैटेगरी में 300 से अबव रैंक जिनकी होती है उनको डैनिक्स मिल जाती है, ऑल्दो इट वेरीज फॉर पर्सनल सब्जेक्टिव चॉइसेस, बट दिस इज़ द मेन लॉजिक. एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हाउ डज दिस ट्रेनिंग टेक्स प्लेस, कहाँ ट्रेनिंग होती है, कैसी ट्रेनिंग होती है, कितने दिन टाइम की होती है, तो हम सभी डैनिक्स ऑफिसर्स की ट्रेनिंग न्यू दिल्ली में UTCS एकेडमी में होती है. दैट इज़ द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग. इट इज़ सच ए वंडरफुल ब्यूटीफुल एकेडमी with lush green campus, garden, specifically auditorium, and hostel facility is marvelous. Hostel rooms are so great, and gym भी है, sports के लिए बैडमिंटन है, boxing facilities, running facilities, all that facilities are there. And in particular our training, it is of 2 years. Starting 4 months होंगे हमारा classroom training, ठीक है, and after that 4 months specifically we will get the attachments in major institutions of Delhi. For example, higher education, then Anganwadi, Ministry of Women and Child Welfare, social justice, law, court, and NDMC, and Delhi Jal Board, etc. Now coming to the most interesting aspect of our training. After the span of 8 months, we would be getting the independent charge. It will start with Patwari, then Tehsildar, then SDM, and in the second year of our training, we will be going on a 15-day mountain trekking. Then we will be going to 45 days of UT Darshan. It is related to visiting different union territories, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, for 15 days. And after that, returning from that voyage, we will be again assigned to different New Delhi attachments, and then finally our training will end up with 90-day revenue training in Andaman and Nicobar.
जेई मेन में परफेक्ट 300 आउट ऑफ 300. डीकेटी इंजीनियरिंग पे जानिए कि मृदुल और सिद्धांत ने कैसे हिट किया ये टारगेट.
DKT Engineering, a Delhi knowledge track platform for JEE aspirants.
This is going to be very fantabulous training for all of us, as many of our seniors used to say that it is such a great paid job in which you will be roaming over whole of India and you will be enjoying the best of the locations. And yes, that was all with respect to training. The best part about the training is that we used to visit different institutions of New Delhi government, और हमें वहाँ पर बहुत experiential wisdom के साथ साथ we used to get diverse experience relating with food and supply department, sports, MCD, how schools run, how Anganwadi works.
जेई मेन में परफेक्ट 300 आउट ऑफ 300. डीकेटी इंजीनियरिंग पे जानिए कि मृदुल और सिद्धांत ने कैसे हिट किया ये टारगेट.
DKT Engineering, a Delhi knowledge track platform for JEE aspirants.
This is a great piece of motivation for all of us that we have been reading about Anganwadi Kendra, auxiliary midwife, Asha Karyakarta, but when you go on field, आप जब specifically आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर, ठीक है, आशा वर्कर्स से मिलते हो और आप उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स देखते हो, हाउ दे वर्क, हु आर द बेनिफिशरीज, यू टॉक टू द बेनिफिशरी, इट गिव्स यू ए 360 degree holistic feedback from the public that what the public wants, what kind of services, what kind of schemes that want. And one more special point, last week we had our attachment with WCD, Women and Child Development, and there when we interacted with Anganwadi worker, we came to know that when we interacted with the beneficiaries, we came to know that there is a dire need for a empowering scheme for women, for girls, adolescent girls, in between the age of 10 years to 17 years. So now the whole batch of Danix 2020 is designing a scheme in Coran's, in association with WCD department, and our senior ma'am Rashmi Singh, she is giving us all the opportunity. Now the scheme would be like this, that we will be providing very low cost sanitary napkins to the adolescent girls of New Delhi region. Specifically in this scheme, we will be coordinating with the real padman of India, Shri Arunalingam, and he will be providing us the sanitary napkin making manufacturing machines, and around 10 to 12,000 all those machines would be installed in 10,000 Anganwadis in Delhi, and then a particular SHG, women SHG, will be manufacturing those sanitary napkins and distributing and selling at a very low cost. So this would be a win-win situation for whole of the beneficiaries as well as to all those Anganwadi women who would be working as SHG. So see, this is just a glimpse. All those civil services aspirant who wants to really work upon the field, जो कि ये चाहते हैं कि they can really make a difference, they should join Danix, because it will give you so much content, it will give you so much pleasure कि आप इतने अच्छे से स्कीम को डिज़ाइन करे हो, स्कीम को इम्प्लीमेंट करे हो. यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग with the front line social workers. So according to me, Danix, it is a wonderful service. And now coming to the future prospects as well as perks and promotional avenues. See, right now under training we are getting 54,000 rupees as our salary, and we are living in a very decent hostel which is providing so much facilities, as I already explained. Sports wonderful. We have also got the membership of Yamuna Sports Complex, that is world class sporting platform. So I am just sharing these minute details in order to make you understand what are the real facilities that this Danix training provides to us. Means we are getting the real advantage of living in Delhi, interacting with senior most bureaucrats, visiting best of institutions, learning from the stalwarts of our Danix seniors. Specifically, I would like to mention that this particular service will offer you multiple diverse roles. Whoever is having a particular aptitude in different fields, he will be getting a posting, he will getting an opportunity to serve there. For example, I am so much interested to work for schools as well as for the WCD department. So I am getting the opportunity to work in this particular section. One of my friend, he likes to work for the sports department, as well as one of my friend, he likes to work in particularly education department. So this service offers you a whole lot of diversity. आपको जहाँ भी अच्छा लगेगा आप वहीं पे जाके आप उसी सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी में जाके आप सर्व कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी. एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द promotional avenues, after getting the first SDM post, after few years we will be promoted to ADM, and then we will be promoted to DM, and in the meantime we will be getting inducted into IS cadre, and then whole lot more opportunities, responsibilities will come upon our shoulders, and we will definitely going to relish it, as well as we will going to meticulously met all those responsibilities. So friends, ये मैंने बताया कि हमारी सर्विस के बारे में, डेनिक्स के बारे में, हमारी ट्रेनिंग कहाँ पे होती है, क्या क्या हमारे लिए एवेन्यूज़ हैं, कितना डाइवर्स रोल वी कैन प्ले, कितनी बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट फैसिलिटीज़ इन दिल्ली एज वेल एज इन अंडमान वी आर गोइंग टू एन्जॉय, एज वेल एज how much we will be learning from our respected seniors, and I particularly summed in this very short video. Hope you will like this video. Thank you very much.